Good morning, children. I hope you're all well. I'm just recording this while I'm in school, so I'm recording this yesterday. So it's still my birthday. I'd like to thank you all for your messages yesterday. Anyone that wished me happy birthday was very kind of you. So today is Thursday's lesson, and I am going to share my screen now. It was like ages since I've been doing these videos, but I've only been in school for 5 days teaching. So, yesterday you were adding and simplifying fractions. Today we are subtracting and simplifying fractions, not actions, sorry. So I'm going to crack straight on. So I've got some donuts. I've got donuts in a pack, and you can see that there were 8. And now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 out of the 8. I want to know, if someone were to eat 5 of the donuts, how many would be left? So if somebody ate 5 8s, how many would be left? So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 donuts that have been eaten. And as we can see, there are 2 8s left. There are 2 out of the 8 that are remaining. Now, the next thing we need to do is look to see if we can simplify the number. Is there an answer? Or is there a number that we can divide the 2 and the 8 by? And I know that both of them are in the 2 times table. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm going to divide them both by 2. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. So we divide them by the same number. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I have simplified that fraction from 2 8s to a quarter. They are both the same. They are the same amount. But you can see that this is the simplest way of writing it. 1 quarter. Okay. And you can check just by using the inverse. What's 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. And 1 times 2 is 2. So you can use division or multiplication if you prefer it. Okay. Let's have a look at another one. So I've got 7 8s this time. You can see I've put them in at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we are going to subtract 3. Now there's 1 subtracted. There's 2 subtracted. There's 3 subtracted. So I had 7 8s, taken 3 8s away, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 remaining. 4 8s. Now, I know that 4 and 8 are in the 2 times table. So what I may do is divide 4 by 2, and then divide 8 by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. And 8 divided by 2 is 4, because 4 times 2 is 8. Now, I've ended up with 2 quarters. And actually, looking at 2 quarters, I know that both of them, again, are in the 2 times table. So I can simplify this fraction further. I can divide them by 2 again. 2 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 4 8s is the same as 2 quarters, and that's the same as 1 half. This is the simplest way of writing it, 1 half. I could have done it differently. I could have divided by 4 at the start, and that would have given me the answer. Instead, I divided by 2 and then divided by 2 again. So I know some children don't know their 4 times table. If you do, great. Okay. 5 8s minus 3 8s. Got 5 8s at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to subtract 3 8s. 1, 2, 3. I have 2 8s left. 2 8s. 2 8s. Well, 2 and the 8, they are divisible by 2. They are both multiples of 2, so I can divide them both by 2. Not 4 this time, because 8 is a multiple of 4, but 2 isn't. So I have to divide them both by 2. 2 eighths. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 eighths is the same as 1. And this is the last one I'm going to show you, children. 5 6 subtract 3 6. I've got 5 6 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to subtract 3 6. 1, 2, 3. I have 2 6 remaining. 1, 2, 2 6 remaining. And I know that 2 and 6 are multiples of 2. They are in the 2 times table, so I can divide them both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. I can check that using the inverse. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. So children, today you are subtracting the fractions and then simplifying them if possible. See which times table 2 numbers are in when you finish subtracting, and that will help you. If you need any help, go onto the blog or give us an email. And remember children, some of the questions today you won't need to simplify. So just simplify where you can. Have a good day. Take care. Goodbye.